Hi there, it's Dennis from BC Tesla. Just doing a follow-up to my battery replacement that was done in late January after having the car for just over a month. I had about 1,500 kilometers on the car at that point. Today is April 11th. I now have 4,500 kilometers on the car. So it's been about 2 months since I got the new battery. And so far everything seems to be good. I'll put a little graph here from Tesla that shows that initially when I got the car I was getting about 420 kilometers for range, but as the battery degraded and had to be replaced, it was below 415, I believe. Yeah, 412 or something even. And as soon as I got the new battery, it was back up to 420, and it's been floating between 417 and 421, really depended on how full I charged the battery and the temperature of the car as well, and some of the short trips that I actually do. So anyway, so how's it been going since? I'm pretty happy with it. I've got 3,000 kilometers on the car since then, so in the past 2 months. And like I say, it's floating between 417 and 420. Again, it really depends on the temperature of the battery, but let me got some notes here that I wanted to go through. So that was the review of my issue. So actually a review of my issue. So about a month into getting my car, I was getting a BMS error, unable to charge to 100%. And when I took the car into Tesla, they told me the battery is hooped and that it needed to be replaced. So I left the car with them. They gave me a rental car, and 3+ weeks I got my car back, and I've been really happy with it ever since. Let's see here. So I'm getting, so it's bouncing between 417 and 420, 420, 21. And right now it's the spring here in Vancouver area, so it's about 10 degrees. I do store it in my garage, so I think it stays at a pretty solid, around 13 degrees in the garage. I always leave it plugged in, and it's set to 90%. So every time I go home, I just back it in, plug it in, set to 90%. It kind of like a set it, forget it, and I always have enough battery charge to get through whatever driving I do. I do a lot of short trips. I'll just go to the grocery store, pick up some beer or something like that. But other than that, really not doing a lot of driving. So my charging, how I charge my car, 90% of the charging I do is at home. We did do a test trip up through the Okanagan and back to go check out the new Tesla charger up at the West Kelowna, and it was a nice drive. A little bit of snow on the summit, the Coquihalla summit, but other than that, it was a nice thing. So I do have a 1450 outlet in my garage. Cost me $500, put that in there. I just plug in every day. The charger just stays there. I don't bring it with me anywhere. There's no need of it. And it charges at the max 32 amps due to it being SR plus. So that's that. One thing that I've heard is a happy Tesla is a plugged-in Tesla, so that's what I do. I just plug it in all the time. There is Frugal Tesla Guy. He's got a great playlist. I'll put a link to that in the notes, and I'll probably pin it as well on the first comment, because it's a series called Your Battery According to Tesla. So he's just pulling straight off the owner's manual, very concise, exact, and it's stuff directly from Tesla. So I think there's 5 or 6 videos. I would watch them for sure. Especially if you're new, even if you're not, it gives you a better understanding of what these numbers actually mean, and what can be expected. There's even stuff there, recommendations of charging, but again, it comes directly from Tesla, so you can get all the same information from the owner's manual if you read it. I only go in there when I need something. Anyway, that again is Frugal Tesla Guy. I'll post that playlist. When I do hit 5,000 kilometers, I'll do a 5,000 kilometer update to my Tesla, and we'll see how it goes. But so far, I'm really happy. I'm probably going to do a video on all the things I've done, because I've ceramic coated it, I've floor mats, I've got new struts for the front trunk. Yeah, I've put a few things in here. Go ahead, I'll point you out, but I've got the little car that they give you when you buy the car. I've got it mounted on my dash, so you know, if you ever see that somewhere, you know it's my car anyway. She's also red, so her name's Ginger. Anyway, just that's a quick update to how things are going so far. I'm really happy with Tesla. Really happy that I got a red one, because everywhere I go I can just stop at a light and there's 2 or 3 white ones sitting there. So yeah, happy with the color red. And if it wasn't for the rebates that they provide here in Canada as well as BC, I probably would have got the long range. But there's, with the rebate and the price difference, it's about $20,000. And I do all my driving around Vancouver, so it's really not worth $20,000 to have the range that I probably won't use. There is a trip coming up this summer. We're heading off to Castlegar. My daughter's getting married, and so there's a bit of a challenge, because east of Princeton there's no superchargers down going there through Osoyoos. I know they're getting one, but I don't think it's going to be there by the time I go through. So we're, trying to figure out what are we going to do, like stop for 3 hours and hang out in Osoyoos, or just spend the night. That's my choice, but we'll see how that goes. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a lot of videos like this going forward, and probably some review stuff as well. Anyway, thank you.